In today's video, I will teach you how to upscale images quickly using this free AI tool. Let's get started. If you need to make your images sharper, clearer, or ready to print, you can use Upscale's AI Upscaler, where you can boost image resolution instantly with no design experience needed. To do this, open your browser and go to Upscale Image Upscaler. Here, you can either click Upload to choose an image from your computer, or try one of the sample images provided to preview the tool's capabilities. And once your image is uploaded, Upscale will automatically upscale your image to 2 times using the Fast Upscale option. Then click the Compare button at the top to view the before and after side by side. An optional step is customizing the upscale settings. On the right panel, you can adjust the upscale method to either Fast Upscale, which is the default, or the Creative Upscale. Fast Upscale is quick and automatic, and it is ideal for basic enhancements, while Creative Upscale is for more refined results. Here, you can adjust the resemblance and creativity sliders and choose between 2 times or 4 times upscale. But take note that creative upscaling may take a minute or more depending on your image. You'll also see the resulting resolution displayed beneath the Upscale button. And once your settings are ready, you can click the Upscale button and let the AI do its work. An optional step is enhancing your image further. In the left panel, you can explore additional tools, like remove background, or replace it with solid colors, AI-generated scenes, or your own image. You can also add shadows, blur effects, or retouch details. And you can expand your image to fit new formats. And when you're happy with the result, you can click the Download button to save your upscaled image to your computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.